Constitution. Coming up on a go for all the sequence start.
Go higher, higher, go higher, higher, go higher, higher, higher. 2 in the morning and I'm out, can you pick me up? You let me drive the box like a Benz truck. You put me in the bed like a pickup. Quick trip like a pickup. I guess you were lonely too. You been flying solo too. This ain't for the kids, this ain't for the virgins. I pull the panties to the side like the curtains. This is the one you keep close when the verse ends. When the money dries up and the work ends. Go higher, go higher. We can eat at any restaurant, and it's saying aim at the bar like it's cheers. There's shots of whiskey in a bottle of beer. Go higher. Take me to outer space with you. I said some things that weren't true. If I haven't said it, then I'm sorry to you. And I love you, and I love you, and I love you. Higher, go higher, higher, go higher, go higher, go higher.
2, 1, 0, and liftoff. Roger, roll. America continues.
Level on the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Space Station. 40 seconds into the flight, the 3 liquid fuel main engines throttling back to 72% of rated performance in the bucket, reducing stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic.